Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting what matters now: environment details, exact build, and a minimal reproduction. Reproduce the issue yourself and document step-by-step actions, expected versus actual behavior. Once done, attach logs, console output, and screenshots so others see the failure. Make sure to tag severity and affected users. This shapes who responds and how fast. Explain why each artifact helps debugging. Repro steps narrow scope. Logs show root cause signals, and priority allocates developer time. If you now dig into code and data to isolate the fault. Start with a git bisect or compare recent commits to find when behavior changed. This reduces guesswork. Run focus tests and enable tracing to capture internal state. Once you see the failure path, add asserts or logs. Make sure to examine dependency upgrades and configuration or feature flag flips that could alter runtime. Explain findings in the report: what you tested, what broke, and which hypotheses remain. This guides the fix efficiently. You implement the smallest change that removes the failure and include a regression test so it cannot recur. Once merged, validate in staging with smoke and integration tests, and check performance to ensure no regressions. After deployment, monitor metrics and logs. Set an alert if the issue resurfaces. If things go wrong, revert to the known good commit or enable the rollback plan immediately. This minimizes user impact while you iterate a safer fix. Close the report with clear steps and lessons learned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.